Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to make this super simple little spider with pipe cleaners. Let's get started. Fold 6 pipe cleaners in half. Then thread another pipe cleaner through the center. Pull it tight, then twist it 3 times to secure. Fold the pipe cleaners downward. About 2.5 centimeters down, wrap thread around them to secure. Leave one pipe cleaner in the center. Fold all the remaining pipe cleaners downward. Adjust them so they are evenly spaced. Gather all the pipe cleaners together. Then wrap thread around them to secure. Continue folding all the pipe cleaners downward. Adjust them so they are evenly spaced. Bend them gently by hand to create a curved shape. Then gather all the pipe cleaners together. Adjust the shape, then wrap thread tightly around them to secure. Fold all the short wire ends downward. Trim them neatly with scissors. Take 2 more pipe cleaners and cut them in half. Find the center, then use the pipe cleaner left earlier to wrap around and secure them. Take another pipe cleaner and wrap it around your index finger to form a loop. Place the loop in the center. Cross the 2 remaining ends, then wrap them tightly to secure. Wrap the ends down toward the bottom, then twist twice to secure. Cut through the center section. Trim the spider's legs so they are even. Trim the feelers and all 8 legs neatly. Follow the shaping steps shown in the video. Once trimmed, bend the legs to give the spider its final shape. And our little spider is finished. Give it a try. See you in the next video.